Two ways to attach pictures and videos from photo library to text message on Samsung S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on messages app. After click on messages app, select contact and type message, and if you want to attach photos and pictures, and you will see, click on this icon and you will see select picture and videos from send here. After select picture and videos, and you will see, click on this icon, you will see picture and videos is sent. So second way is go back to home screen, go to app library and click on gallery app and just click and hold on pictures and videos. If you want to send, click on share and click on messages. Select contact from here and click on next. After click on next, you will see picture and videos is share. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can two ways to attach pictures and videos from photo library to text messages on Samsung S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.